This is how your package should look like. Now let's unbox your new machine. You find the machine and every accessory inside the box. We provide quick guides in your desired language. Please read them through. You find the cylinder filter and the air filter in carton boxes. Grab the handles and carefully take the machine out of the box. Your new Hammer Jet Max is almost ready for use. We provide a wrench as well. It is for securing the nozzle on the machine. We also provide a battery charger for your Makita battery. The battery is inside a carton box. You can find Zirocco turbine oil in this canister. Make sure to mix 3 to 5% turbine oil with the fuel. Take the yellow cover off before startup. Secure the nozzle to the machine. Make sure the air filters are in place before startup. The right order is mesh filter, air filter, and cylinder filter. Refuel with diesel EN 590, which you can find at a petrol station or kerosene. Both must be mixed with 3 to 5% turbine oil. Attach the battery. Use ear protection. Take these hazard zones into consideration. Now you can turn on the display. Elevate the nozzle before startup. Press the start button for 3 seconds to turn on the turbine. The ignition symbol is indicated. The machine will be ready in 30 seconds. During startup, the temperature can go up till 700 Celsius, but it will stabilize between 480 and 620 Celsius. When the running field is green, the turbine is ready for operation. You can increase or decrease the power with the plus and minus buttons. Here is an example of a bad usage. The correct way is letting the machine hover above the surface. This way, you can even push it with a finger. Press the stop button for 3 seconds to turn off the turbine. The turbine will cool down for 30 seconds and shut down completely. Press the red button in case of an emergency, and the turbine will shut down immediately. The emergency button is for emergency situations only. When the temperature is below 70 degrees Celsius, the machine is ready to start again. The machine is doing cool down cycles. If you can turn off the display, only then remove the battery. Charge your battery for the next use. Be careful, because the metal parts of the machine can stay very hot.